morning, dear students. So today we are going to study about the Jain style of art. Now, as we saw just now in the last video lecture that Pal kings had developed Pal style of art. So now Jain also thought that let us do something in the field of art, and they were writing the manuscripts during those days. Here you can see the photo of Jain manuscripts. So there they had to write the thing, and beside the written part they had also to put some illustrations, and that is why they started doing the drawings in the manuscripts. These drawings came to be known as the paintings of Jain style of art. The Jain style of art came into existence from 12th century in the western part of India, that is mainly in Gujarat, Rajasthan and Malwa. In those days, there was a great influence of Jainism in these regions. As a result, a number of miniature paintings were done keeping in view Jainism in the manuscripts. This style of miniature paintings came to be known as Jain style of art. We can see beautiful miniature paintings of Jain style in Kalpasutra, Kalkacharya Katha, Neminath Charitra and Barsak Sutra. These are the names of the manuscripts. Okay, there we can see these paintings. You can continue talking, no problem. Mana disturb nahi thay. In this style, the painting, I will raise my volume. In this style, the miniature paintings were done on the space left after the written work. Here, the artist had not got any scope to express freely. Now, suppose if you are given a big page of a drawing book, then you can do the drawing according to your imagination. But you have to follow the written work, what is written there, according to that you have to do the illustrations, right? And that also on the palm leaves and in the very less space which was left after the written work. So, artist was not able to express freely, and as a result, we can see that all the characters look alike. You cannot do the separate type of or different types of characters. All the characters look alike. Now, we will see some of the characteristics of the paintings of Jain style of art. Means if you see the painting of Jain style of art, how will you be able to judge that this is the painting of Jain style of art? By following features, you will be able to judge that thing. The first feature is the side face with a pointed nose, like the beak of an eagle, big and long eyes, in which the back eye is coming out of the face and it looks as if it is stuck over there. You can search in Google about the paintings of Jain style of art, so you will be able to see the colorful paintings. Another feature was outstanding chest and slim waist. The pointed fingers it should be. The pointed fingers and the stiff sitting position on an asan are the characteristics of the characters of Jain style of art. The painting were decorated with only red, blue, green and yellow ochre color. Only 4 colors were used in these paintings. By seeing the good composition on a limited or very limited space, the powerful drawing and the balanced color scheme, we get the idea of the artistic sense of the artist of Jain style. Along with conveying the religious message, the painting also served the purpose of decoration of the manuscripts. As a result, Jain style of art has got unique importance in the Indian art history. This style started in the beginning of 12th century and was alive till the 16th century, holds a lion's share in keeping the Indian art and tradition alive in between the old Ajanta art style and the new Rajput and Mughal art. As the style was mainly flourished in Gujarat, it is also known as Gujarati style. Now we come to the next style of art, and that is Rajput style. It's also known as folk art, Lok Kala. Here you can see the painting of Rajput style of art. If you go to visit the palaces of Rajasthan side, then there you will see the miniature paintings which are known as the paintings of Rajput style of art. This art style flourished in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh during 10th century to 14th century. It's also known as Lok Kala or folk art. In this region, there was a class of people who hereditarily used to do the business of making the paintings. Now, what Rajput king used to do? Rajput king used to hire this artist, and ask them to do the paintings of their own choice, and used to patronage them. Rajput kings used to make them prepare the paintings of their and their forefathers' achievements and victories. So, by seeing these paintings, we get the idea of the glamour, tradition, and the dressing of Rajput kings of those days. Mostly, miniature paintings were created in Rajput style. Now we see about the unique attraction or the characteristics of Rajput style of arts painting. Broad chania and transparent odni are the unique attraction of the paintings of Rajput style of art. So good morning dear students. In the last period we had completed the Rajput style, that is folk art. Now we are going to do the Rajasthani style. It's much more similar to that of Rajput style of art. Now the only difference is in the Rajput style of art, the Rajput kings used to hire the artist and ask them to make the paintings of their and their forefathers' achievements. While here, the same artist has done the paintings in the same place, but these paintings are done by their own will. Okay, they have not done under the pressure of any of the kings. They have prepared the paintings on their own, of their own choice. So that is only the difference between the Rajasthani style of art. So we begin. As the Rajput style has flourished in Rajasthan, it is also known as Rajasthani style. Since these artists were working under the patronage of Rajput kings, they used to prepare the paintings of kings during the free time, they used to prepare the paintings based on Radha Krishna and Das Leela or Krishna Bhakti. They all were Krishna Bhakto, and that is why their main theme was Krishna Bhakti. So they had prepared the paintings on this topic. Now, where had they prepared the paintings? See, the same artist had prepared the paintings in miniature form for Rajput kings, but for themselves, where had they prepared the paintings? So at present, we can see those paintings on the walls, on the walls of palaces, temples, havelis, etc. In Rajasthani style, the paintings are also done on different rag. Okay, what is rag? All those who are familiar with music, they may be knowing that there are different rag, say Malar rag, Bhairavi rag, right? Different rags are there. And as a result, the paintings are also known as, or also famous as, Ragmala's paintings, which is considered to be the unique characteristics of this style. So here we complete this style.